Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is a plan with me in my Hobonichi Week Strawberry Latte Mega, and today I will be planning in the notes pages. So if you'd like to see how my notes pages can turn from this blank page into this, then make sure to stay tuned until the end of the video. Alright guys, so it has been a hot minute since I have planned in the notes pages of my Hobonichi Weeks Mega, because I have been doing my plan with me's on here in my Instagram stories, but today I felt like it is a great idea to come back on here and plan on the notes pages with you. But before I do that, I wanted to share with you the stickers that I will be using today. So let's start with the ones from my shop. I will be using the essentials called Modern Pop, and this is what it looks like. So the essentials is just one page, and it has a few stickers that I feel like are like the foundation stickers of any kit, and that would be the date cover, the decorative strip, the boxes, so your checklist boxes, the bottom bars, and two headers over here as an extra. And I will be also using one of our newest products. So this is a printable, and this comes with another page if I can find it. So these printables are available at the shop right now as you are watching this. This came in a page with this page. So okay, that's so confusing. All right. And these match this. I will put the name of the printable over here. I think this is called Galaxy Pastel or Pastel Galaxy. And I want to put this over here. And these are designed as full page stickers. Let me show you. So this is another one, the mermaid one. And this is this sticker on the page. I haven't written it on here yet, but this one is in glossy. I printed it on glossy. You can print it in any sticker paper that you would like. They are not available as physical stickers as of right now because I want it to be just as a printable, so you can print it any way you would like. And as you can see here, it doesn't go all the way to the spine. I left a little bit of space here because if you are like me and you use a lot of stickers in your Hobonichi, your Hobonichi will get chunky, just like this. Okay, I also showed this in my last plan with me. Well, the last one that I filmed. So I don't want to put any more pressure on the spine. That's why I made it like this. So this one is printed in matte paper. And then, so I'm using this as the foundation, and then I'm also using a few stickers here. This one matches the kit perfectly with the color of her hair, and look at the koalas. Oh my god, koalas. Yes. So this is from Miss Caramel together with these two stickers here that I will also be using, I believe, unless I change my mind, which happens often. So this one and this one. She's a Filipino shop. I'm using all Filipino shops here. And these are super cute, one of my faves. And then this is also, well, they're all my faves. That's why I have them. And these are from Crafted by Sophie. I am not sure if she's already in Etsy. If she is, I will link it down below. And I will also link her Shopee. So if you're from the Philippines, these are also available on Shopee. And look how gorgeous these are. I'm probably going to be using this a lot. So I pulled a few stickers here. This one, a postman one, a girl looking into the sky, a deadline one. She's just really snickering, speaking through the door, and look at her eyes. Her eyes are hearts, so that's super cute. And this one. So I'm just going to put them away first, and then let's start with our stickers. So I'm going to go ahead and use this first. I'm going to put this up here. I'm going to leave two boxes. Mine framed? Yeah. So I left two boxes up there blank, and then I'm going to take a bottom bar and it'll fit perfect. There you go. So that fits perfectly. I'm sorry I wasn't in frame. So, okay, let's center-ish. There we go. And then I'm going to take this, and I'm hoping, yes, It'll cover the top, and it did. Then I'm going to take my ruler that you have seen a million times already, and I'm just gonna cut that off like I do with washi, and then I'm going to put this over here. Yeah. Okay, let's not. Okay. Oh gosh. And then this would go back here. That's looking pretty good. Lots and lots of grid. I'm grid crazy today. And then I'm going to take the checklist box. So the checklist box of this kit is not cut because it is the essentials. If you get the reformatted Hobonichi Weeks kit, then they are already cut. There you go. And that is what it looks like right now. It is beautiful. I think I'm going to go ahead and take this and put it down here as just a decorative little washi strip. Then I'm going to cut it. Same place as the one at top. Now we have a tiny, tiny sliver of sticker over here. And then I'm going to take the header sticker and put it on top. Just like that. And I think that is pretty. Okay. Now let's put this away and take this giant sticker here. So just be very careful when you're putting it down because it is a giant sticker. Now I'm going to go ahead and turn this sideways because I am afraid. And then I'm going to focus on the edge. Just line it up. Press it down. Anchor it. And then just smooth it out. And it is stunning, you guys. I am full of love for this kit right now. It is so gorgeous. I am loving it so much. Do you like it, guys? I do. All right, so I think we can move on to our smaller stickers. By the way, this is what I have left. I still have this. I'm not sure if I'm going to use it. I can. Let's do it. That is cute. I still have another header sticker here. And then I'm going to put that header sticker over here. So I'm just going to layer it on top. There you go. And then I still have this beautiful sticker die cut from Miss Caramel. And we are going to go ahead and use her. She is in glossy. And she will sit here. Actually, she will sit here. No, she will not. Okay. Yeah, she will do great here. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm going to cut off the butt of the panda. Though it pains me to do so. I am worried about my spine. I think I can still cut off a little bit more. There we go. Alright. That worked out really well. So this is what we have. So she's a little shiny. I've been using my matte papers recently, matte paper stickers, or matte sticker paper, because I am filming with such giant lights and it had been reflecting, and I'm sorry. Alright, so this is what we have so far. Now I'm going to take the pen that I've been using for a while, and it is this, and then just for kicks, I'm going to go ahead and pull this out. This is the Sailor Shikiori brush pen and fine tip. I usually use the brush pen side of this, and then this is my ultimate favorite pen, one of them. It's from Marvi Ushida. I also like the other Marvi Ushida that I have, but I don't know where it is. So let's go ahead and put the dates on, and I will be right back. are done. So this is what the page looks like, and I will go through this with you right now. So here on this side of the page, we have the to-do list for every day. So it's day-specific to-do lists. And then here I have a little column for my tracker, for my social media tracker. So I have my IG post, and the square is for if I have pictures for that day, and then circle is for when I posted on my IG feeds. And then I also have a little one here for my YouTube, and this one got messed up a little bit. Maybe I'll just fix it. And these are for my plans, extra plans for social media, which is generally all about IG stories. Okay, that's fixed. Plans. And then here I have a little decorative girl, and just makes me so happy that she's there. And then down here I have new releases, so I want to put the date of the new releases when it comes or goes up or drops on here on this little computer. And then here I want to put goals in. All right, and that is for the left side of the page. Now the right side of the page has a little tracker for this week. So I also have deadlines over here. I have post run. We usually have 2 post runs and an option of a third one. If that happens, then I'll just write it down here. And then here are some top secret things that we are working on. And then down here are any updates on anything that we are working on right now as well. For example, we have cameos that are in repair shops that need to be picked up and stuff like that will go on here on this little bit here. So that is what it looks like. Let me scoot you on over very slowly. So nice, you guys. I'm so happy with how this spread turns out. If there's anything that I would have liked to change, I would have not lined this up using this pen. It did not go well with the paper that I'm using. It's a little blotchy. That's not how it looks like when you put it on Tomorrow River paper. For example, here. Look at how faint that is. And then look at how bright this is. And that is what I have on here. And I'm just going to put 2 more lines. There we go. And that is it for us today. Thank you so much for watching, guys. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you like some more planner videos, please subscribe to my channel at paperjoyph. And that is also our social media handle for IG and FB. And also, please join our Facebook group, paperjoyph Planning World, for any insider things that you would like to hear from us. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye!